Hi friends, this video shows how to set up OpenClaw with Ollama. Here I have opened Ubuntu terminal. First I am going to install Ollama. Run this command. This will install Ollama. See, now it's downloading Ollama Linux tar file. Okay, installation completed. Let me check version of Ollama. It says 0.17.0. Let me check status of Ollama service. Run this command sudo systemctl status Ollama. It says Ollama service active and running. Let me list all Ollama models. It shows MD. Next I am going to install OpenClaw. Before installing OpenClaw, I need to install Node. Run this command. This command will add Node repository to Ubuntu. Done. Next I am going to install Node.js. Run this command apt install -y Node.js. If you are running this command as root user, you can remove this sudo command. I am running this command as normal user Ubuntu. That is the reason I am using this sudo. Now it's time to install OpenClaw. Run this command sudo npm install -g OpenClaw. This takes time, please wait. Done. Now I have installed both Ollama and OpenClaw. Next I am going to start OpenClaw onboarding wizard. Run this command OpenClaw onboard. Here select yes. Select quick start. I am going to skip this step. Select skip for now. Select all providers. Select keep current default. Here we can select channel. I am going to skip this. Set skip for now. Configure skills. Let me skip this. Select no. Hooks. Let me skip this as well. Now it's installing gateway service. Please wait. It's asking how do you want to hatch your bot. Let me select do this later. Okay, done. See the message onboarding complete. Let me check whether OpenClaw gateway service is running. Run this command. So here you can see the OpenClaw gateway service port. We can also use this command OpenClaw gateway status. See, it's running. Next I am going to integrate OpenClaw with Ollama. Just run this command Ollama launch OpenClaw. Here you can see list of recommended models. From this list, let me select Minimax M2.5 Cloud. Then select yes. We need to click on this link and log into ollama.com. Click on OK. Here I have logged into ollama.com using Google account. Click on connect. See, device connected successfully. Go to terminal. Here it's asking permission to update this openclaw.json file. This Ollama command will automatically add model to this openclaw.json file. Select yes. Again select yes. See, it has automatically opened OpenClaw terminal UI. Here we can type prompt and submit. Let me ask what OS version is installed. See, it says Ubuntu 22. Let me exit from this terminal UI. Press Ctrl D. Next I am going to integrate OpenClaw with Telegram. Run this command OpenClaw config. Select local. From this list select channels. Then select configure. Here select Telegram. Here we need to enter Telegram bot token. Let me create one. Go to Telegram app. Then search for bot father. Click on bot father. Click on start. Here type new bot. Type name for new bot. Submit. Select one username. Let me enter same name. See, now bot is ready. Here you can see the token. Copy this token. Paste here. Done. Then select finished. Select no here. Then select continue. Let me test. Again go to Telegram. Open this new bot. Click on this link. Click on start. Next we need to pair. Copy this command. Run here. See the message approved Telegram sender. Again go to Telegram. Let me test. Let me run this prompt. Check available disk space. See, it's working. Let me try to access OpenClaw Gateway dashboard. See, it's working. Here you can see the error device identity required. Go to overview. So here we need to update gateway token. Go to terminal, cat this file openclaw.json. Then find gateway session. Here you can see the token. Copy this token. Update here. Paste here. Click on connect. See, it's working. See the status. Okay. Then go to chat. Let me submit this prompt. Which process is using most memory? See, it says OpenClaw Gateway. Then Ollama. Snapd. Let me go to agents. Click on this. Here you can see the primary model. Ollama Minimax M25 Cloud. Here you can see the channel configured Telegram. This way we can set up OpenClaw with Ollama. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.